In recent years, oats have become one of the most consumed cereals in the world due to their miraculous slimming properties. According to a Taiwanese study, oats prevent obesity and the distribution of belly fat because they are full of fiber, make you feel satiated for a longer period, and discourage you from eating too much. To lose weight for a good result with oatmeal, you need to know when and how you consume them. We will guide you how to make an oatmeal recipe to reach the ideal weight and maintain optimal health in an easy way. This video is not about the conventional oatmeal diet plan where dieters are only allowed to eat oatmeal. Instead of following a strict diet with health risks, you thus need to enjoy a cup of oats before a meal over a period of 10 days. It will help you reach your sense of satiety faster and you will lose weight easier. Many people have followed this recipe and achieved success. Firstly, we prepare 600 ml of water. Then, pour it into a saucepan. Place the saucepan on the stove, turn on the heat to cook until the water boils. When the water boils, reduce the heat and pour 100 grams of oatmeal, better if it has biological origin, as the well. If you want to receive more useful recipes like this video to take care of your health and your relatives, then press the subscribe button and press the bell so you will receive our advice every day. Next, we add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. Its effect on blood sugar level can also help your body ultimately lose weight. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of cinnamon can provide additional help to boost food processing. After adding cinnamon powder, simmer the mixture for about half an hour without covering, stirring frequently with a wooden spoon to prevent the mixture from sticking. After this time, turn off the heat, cover with a lid, and let the mixture rest for an hour. After an hour, we mix this mixture with honey. You will get a cheaper weight loss effect when combining oatmeal with cinnamon and honey. Honey is a wonderful alternative sweetener when you are losing weight. A study was published in a journal of the American College of Nutrition demonstrated that essential hormones in honey suppress appetite and aid weight loss. Honey in oatmeal will save you from heaping on less healthy artificial sweeteners, thus preventing future weight gains. We add 1 teaspoon of honey as well. Finally, take this mixture in a glass cup and consume it to lose weight. Consuming a cup of this oatmeal on an empty stomach before each meal will increase the sense of satiety, thereby decrease the food intake. Regularly consume the oatmeal 3 or 4 times a week, you will achieve your weight loss goal faster and have other health benefits.